What's up guys, RETROCENGO here. Welcome back to my channel again. We are continuing this Amiga 2000 adventure. Part 2 now. The motherboard has not been neutralized, washed, cleaned yet. We have some sort of goo down here and I will neutralize it with some vinegar. So what did I do? Well, the keyboard was really dirty, so I washed the keyboard. I haven't cleaned the rest, but you know, the top and box is cleaned. The keycaps at the background there are cleaned. I actually removed the SCSI hard drive because it was so loud, so noisy. That reminds me of why I am done with the big box Amigas. I have everything built in my small disc top cases. Amiga 500 Plus and 1200. So I'm not going to use that hard drive. It's gone. We have 2 MB RAM here and 2 MB RAM here on the GVP, which is great. This one has got 2 floppy drives. After that, as you can hear, another reason I don't use the big box Amigas. Now, don't get me wrong. Don't write down the comments that you know, big box Amigas sucks or nothing like that. I love all Amigas. I personally don't want to use them because it's just unnecessary. Just takes so much space. I don't gain nothing by it, but I have made other videos telling about it, guys. But yeah, after the hard disk, the next part is actually this one. Listen to this. Nice. Now I'm gonna replace the fan at the PSU. This one pushes a lot of air. It's okay. It's the original one. But this little beauty, this one is crazy. This one will push out twice as much air. Okay, so it's much more effective. It's got blue LED lights, which is Amiga porn, and it doesn't make as much noise as that one. It's still noisy. I can still hear it, but it's much lesser than this. Yeah, I have cleaned inside of the PSU. It was not dusty, to my big surprise. That's nice. So let's go ahead and remove that one. And it's just, you know, it's just a plug down there. You can just take it off, and that's about it. And this one just goes into the 12-volt rail here. So beautiful stuff. Major difference. This is nice. Okay, so less noise. That's nice. Kickstart switcher is off. I don't need it. I never use it, so be gone. The Vortex card is out. I don't use it. I don't need it. Be gone. So we have got the beautiful 68,000 and Kickstart 1.3 and a nice fan there. Well, I'm happy with it. And now with the top cover on, it's much better. I like it. And kids, don't play around with high voltage here. It can be dangerous. I got my first shock when I was about 8 years old, and I have got shocked 25 times since then, so I'm used to it. This is the original one. Didn't remove the plug. As you can see, the fan that I got from China for €1. Yeah, I just gave it power from the GVP, but that's not ideal. I'm gonna use this plug here. So nothing cut, nothing non-erasable. So I can just, if the next guy wants the original fan, that one will be included. Some of you guys will hate the blue light at the backside. I don't know, it's okay, it's okay. So yeah, great. Let's keep on building. Few screws are missing, some screws are on. This keyboard smells so nice. Smells of strawberry. So I'm just gonna put in all the screws, and then I hope that after the cleanup that every key on this beautiful keyboard works. Let's give it a go. You don't clean water battery with some ISO and a Q-tip. No, you just give a lot of vinegar all over the place, everywhere on these beautiful components, and you use this old brush to get in everywhere and clean everything around the battery area over here. That's the connectors. Yeah, this is how we party. Come on everybody. This is how you neutralize, man. After this we will wash the board and make it so clean, and then measure all these beautiful connectors from the processor, from the 68,000 over to the resistor networks, over to the kickstart. We make sure that it has got proper connection everywhere. This is how we do it, guys. Come on, do it. So why is it a good idea to wash this card? As you can see, the previous owner did take out the water battery, but it's still a bit dark. I can't just take the chance and presume that he neutralized the card, because it will eat its way through all these traces. Now, I have washed this board, and as you can see, these sockets are, chrome, and when we go down to from here and the rest, it's a bit darker. That means that we had some sort of attack from the battery. So this socket works perfect. All the traces are perfect from the CPU to the kickstart ROM, and also over here I have measured it. But I would say when they look dark like this, vinegar, clean, blah blah blah, I don't trust it. I would replace this socket. Absolutely, just put in a new one. I can see the previous owner has installed, from the back side, from the soldering joints, he has installed these two. He has installed a brand new socket for the Fat Agnes over here. He has installed new joystick and mouse ports. So after this, we have to dry the board the proper way. I will take out all the custom chips, clean the legs, clean the sockets, and dry the board out, so we won't have no what's it called, residue from the water. We have to clean it so it will be a clean, nice, shiny, strawberry like smelling revision 6.2 Amiga 2000 board. So go ahead and neutralize them, guys. This is a great idea. 5721 controls the Zorro socket, slots, floppy disk, power, 2 CIA chips, your Gary socket, Fat Agnes, Paula gives the amazing music, sound, everything. Denise, that is giving us the graphical options. It's connected to the graphic port here that the newer revision has got, not the old 4. It's missing one of the, I think it was missing, was it this one? And yeah, logic chips, RAM, Fat Agnes, kickstart ROM, 68,000 CPU, and as you can see the traces, it's that socket is connected to this socket. You can install new processor dash RAM cards, also use some expansions from the Amiga 500 also. So it's a great system, guys. The only thing I don't like about the Amiga 2000 is that it came with this water battery. We're getting there. I'll see you on the next episode of this Amiga 2000 adventure. Have a great day out there, guys. Bye.